वज़ीर ख़ारजा बिलावल भुट्टो ने मुल्की तरक्की और खुद मुख्तारी के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ पर भरपूर ताउन पर चीनी क़यादत से इज़हार तशक्कुर किया है।
उन्होंने हर फोरम पर चीनी मफादात की हिमायत जारी रखने की यकीन दहानी भी कराई।
We deeply appreciate China's firm support for Pakistan's territorial integrity, sovereignty and national development, as well as China's principled and just stance on the Jammu and Kashmir dispute. Pakistan will continue to support China firmly on all its core issues, including the One China policy, Taiwan, Tibet, Xinjiang, Hong Kong and the South China Sea. As a flagship of the Belt and Road Initiative, the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor has strategic significance for both our countries, and Pakistan is fully committed to timely completion of CPEC, which we see as a transformational and strategic initiative.